place who are probably
Check it out.
It's somewhere here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
December too. By the way, that's one of the recommendations. Also, in one of the sessions, to learn a master shwari. To go to scale banana master. I'm not a good gazer, but probably here for you. Okay.
So, I'm sure we scare your feedback, and I really appreciate you for that good feedback. And we're looking forward now that project is resolved. Okay. Thank you. Next, it's your turn here. Or maybe you were the last one coming. Now we can start on this. You were the second person to walk in.
Okay, greetings.
Greetings.
I'm Jay Kisa. I'm not joining our registration. I have my colleague here, is my sister, maternalist and maternalist in engineering. But this is the TV's functionality. For us to take this course especially to upskill, and normally when we started, we were doing took a job in the about the people used to say exam scheme. You go to an institution, you say exam scheme. What I mean, that time I remember the lookup functions were so good. You could see someone who look up. But last year I came here, I think there was an event here. And there was an event, and I remember during we had a session. And the only way to upscale my relative skills because I had taken I'm one of those guys who goes to the internet just takes 1, 2, 3 days and try to understand that. You know, when you do something without maybe children in school, like even I wouldn't even motivation. I started to take a course. I wanted to see if my friend there could take it, you don't get it cheaper. But for me, you needed it more. That's why I attended 3 classes, but I wanted really to upskill my visualization skills. And one thing that really I have about this session is by being not only example of videos, some of the but one thing that I maybe my suggestion would be is that as much as we are learning that aspect of here, maybe one thing that Madam is saying, that's one aspect, the short courses, short exams in between, and also when you're looking at the final part, maybe to add some little of you don't know final products. If you are sure products, you are wishing to go and either the conditions of the color and small ones. If someone could, this one is something that you can paste in your own, let's say, in your own portfolio for data, and building a portfolio. If you paste these are people you start, and after 2 to 3 projects, I have come, you can see the progress. Just like maybe during the project, yes, I will white, black and white sun, you put a mission of visualization, that thing might really help. But already in the session, it's quite important to know, but really, and I could say, let me get your question. You know, yes. You know, for us, when we may not be in that class, learning. So there's always one, who just said this one, there's a point I was like, what will this one come on? I'm really cheap of questions. Maybe that's part of that's a skill that maybe in terms of when we're living, this was required as well. You assume everybody knows everything, but this really, when you come together and you understand what different backgrounds, like I am really, I don't know anything, I know something. Let us balance together and come to an understanding that is a really good job. For me, I really appreciate that one person will let people enjoy it. Since I came here and maybe Mr. Predictive Analytics, we got to him and I forgot something. But I remember to make a keep up maybe because in Ethiopia, I picked it up. For me, what I'm trying for is this course of blockchain and it's a long one, your course. The other question is but it's something that is manageable because these are functionalities that will help us in the that data, ni ngumu kiasi. Na our market Kenya, ndio naenda unajiona wewe mtu wa unajua Excel na Power BI imefika kwa PhD. So the sheet everybody is a leader very good. I have all the skills, but this person, just like I don't know, I find it compatible. Just like I called a simple code, and the project was done within 10 to 15 minutes. I was still struggling with the Excel. So, you know, that's really demoralizing. But it's something that I think is a good thing to break the units into single bits, because some of us could not afford the larger one. If this one can be broken to a single bit, you can quick until by the time I'm done, because learning is continuous. When I come back, my room is about the issue, but I'm glad so being great answers. Thank you.
Now, something good with us. Once you're done with the program, we don't drop you. Yeah, so there is something that you need to understand. You can still reach out. And we have to help you after that. Yeah. And for the programs, we can talk. Hata kama una pesa nyingi, we can sit down and discuss on how we can do the payment plan. Yeah, so the cost will not stop you from taking out the other program. Yeah. So next. Yeah.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Nicholas Maguto. I am a consultant, an independent consultant. My journey goes back before 2020, because I started as a public health consultant with a very strong interest in data. So I would say that usually I have focused a lot on data analysis using Excel, SPSS, and Stata, but I have not looked into programming or even doing some of the software like Python. So I taught myself R, and I was so strong in R. I remember when I first started with the data science level 1. We used to do a lot of practice with Python and the rest, but sometimes I would go back to R and do my analysis, and then present back to that. I tried this, but I was not able. Please excuse me, look at my R code, and we still appreciate it. So from that moment, I realized that having knowledge of several tools is very important, because, okay, I know this I'm speaking for myself. There are guys who are good at one tool. Someone is so good in Python, another one is so good in Excel and so on. But for me, I took the mechanical approach that whenever there is a problem, I try to ask myself, which tool can I use to tackle this problem? So, for example, if I wanted to visualize data, and you have the option of Python and so on, which specific tool can I use to visualize? So I'll quickly run to Seaboard. I may not have the knowledge of all the codes and so on how to visualize data in Seaboard, but believe me, I can take, let's say, 1 week and try to see what are the necessary part of Seaboard. I can do it. The same way, I can go to R and try to look at ggplot2 and so on and try to visualize the data. So all in all, I've been doing bits and bits of several tools, and whenever there's a training and opening, I also do the same. So of late, I went and learned, I came to the class for Power BI, which is graduating today, and I did the same. I was able to get what was necessary for me in Power BI. I think I was the first presenter of the project, which was quite successful, and that was a very big achievement for me. So in terms of work, being so inquisitive and being able to learn data has actually pushed me ahead. I've been able to get a lot of consultancy in South Sudan, Somalia, and last week I was in Afghanistan, doing another project in capacity building for data. So it has been so great. I've been showcasing what I've learned. And something interesting is that when I completed data science level 1, there's a scholarship in India, it was a virtual scholarship. I applied, but by surprise, I think we were the only 2 people from Kenya who were taken into that class with the Indians. And you know how Indians are so quick. So we used to sometimes train and sometimes they speak in their language, but the course are the same. So eventually when I graduated early this year, I got a distinction in postgraduate in data science for climate and health. So that has been so great, and yeah, they are actually surprised because when you read the names, you see I don't know, and then you see Odiambo. Yeah. And then Odiambo and many people. So it's like, how did we get here? So that is another story. So currently, I'm taking my PhD in biostatistics and epidemiology. And one of the projects that I'm working on is modeling the impact of climate change on health. Okay? For example, you're trying to look at how weather, the rainfall and temperature would actually influence or predict, help you to predict disease burden in a certain location. So there's a lot of data. Okay? There's a lot of data that needs to be handled. So the traditional approach of where students usually go to the field, ask questions, collect data, analyze, I'm not sure that that's the approach that should be taken. So what I'm doing now, I'm collecting secondary data from the Met Department, secondary data from the Ministry of Health, and trying to build some models, okay? So with that, again, I went to learn something different with the knowledge that I got from this class. I started learning spatial data analytics, okay, using Python to do the GIS. I have no background in GIS, but at least I can write codes that can produce a map that can show you that in May, coming next year, this time, we have this burden. So the mechanical approach, where you see a problem, you ask yourself, what do we do? Okay? How do we handle this project? Like, I see SQL, how can I, instead of learning SQL, can I have a shortcut? Can I use the same, let's say, Panda to do the same? Okay? So that has been my approach. I cannot be sure that it can work for you, but my approach is shortcut.
Be available to mentor.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. If they are interested in shortcuts. Let me tell you, I once surprised my supervisor. I told my supervisor that I know Power BI, but we can create a dashboard using Python. There's a specific part of Python, this what called a streamlit. You create a dashboard and then you just send a link. Yeah.
I think when you have started, so that's what we should do after that.
We want you to tell your story.
Okay.
Yeah, and your experience about the classes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you. My name is Asha Bugul. I work here at Predictive for financial. I work in Nandi for the field of I'm not traditionally from the statistics background, but I did some so that is what brought me there. Otherwise, my undergraduate degree I started with but I've never expressed. In investment university, I've never gone there. So this is what I'm doing to Now, when I
So I've changed them, several those organizations. And so each and every one has got their methods. The first one, I think I used a lot of Excel. And then I went another one, I used a lot of SPSS. Then others go through there, just use what you can because the high levels are something is qualified for that. So do whatever you want, whether it's Excel or whatever, but give out the output that they require. So, and then the current one, they have the systems. They have a mobile application that links to some analytic platform. Which, of course, for visualization has Power BI. By the way, I realize that the people talk about Excel, I might not have been part of this class.
You have to start from being Excel.
Oh, yeah, right. So that's why
In Excel class.
No, the Power BI class. Yeah, so this analytics platform has that component of Power BI, and so I have not learned much about that. So like the gentleman says, the next short class. So for mine, it's not shortcuts, but short courses. I know how to take like a whole, rather either diploma, degree, or whatever, doing a given course. So that which I require, can I get how to do it? So that's how I got to. I think I learned about Predictive Facebook. And then I said, this is my idea. Because that platform has that component. So it was not easy to get to learn it in the system. And so there are so many surveys, almost 8 of them every year I do surveys or more. So I don't keep repeating this analysis because I was doing it through Excel. Every other time I do Excel analysis with the same indicators, because others will be added, others will be removed. And then there are other ways, so I got myself to go back. But as they say, it's difficult to train and go to work. You can do all the things. I have a son who is in statistics and programming, especially that we cannot avoid. He's so good in that. So I began with him in low class. Time is not there for that. So what is something short? When I look at about 3 weeks or so, let me get myself there. And so the studies that we had here for BI has helped me so much. Instead of repeating everything else, I have everything. So it's just about adding the rows down there, I move their parts of the water. And then I have all that already designed after the rest of everything else. So it makes my work easier. I want to thank you so much for all that. Otherwise, if there are others, I think I will still consider those ones. I think I talked to you about now the part of impact analysis. That's the bit that I really wanted more. So if you have that, or my friend, if you do that, then I think I can leave at least. I know that you give an employment very fast. Because now you have a student. Yeah, so that's it's a very important one. There's some interpreting that about that. This is statistics. Can be another way. Difference in difference. Remember those ones? Yeah. I had some in the example. So then I get out how to do something for this something. So I went to YouTube, I did a bit of it. Yeah, I need more. Yeah, so guys, if you will be offering more, I think we will still work together as you have more skills to ask the own generation. And I those who are still there, please, every short course, somebody told me I was starting M&E. Do as many as possible. What time they are 100? A time comes when they pay for that video that's spent in those courses. I would just like to ask that you allow me, there is some work that has to be delivered. Our organization is with the government. The government wants some kind of part of that. So allow me to be. I wish that would stay. Maybe another time will still happen.
You can meet your trainer and I'll see you later then.
The guy was not giving his face on the But I know about him. So this is the tip.
Yes.
Thank you so much for participating. Right.
You have enough for another short thought?
Oh, God. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the stories. They're really amazing stories. Yeah, it's nice to hear your feedback on how the classes went, on how you've changed your lives through these sessions, and we really thank you for choosing us. Yeah, we have so many courses. We can always even customize courses to fit your needs. Yeah. So even if you want to, yeah, we have so many courses. Then go to our website, you will find the list of them. And always you can customize something to fit in the needs of your maybe department or organization. So maybe this time can invite Joel to share his experience for the Power BI classes. I guess the one who was coordinating it. And for the Israel group, it was Tina. Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know whether to start with reporting the ones that are late to the classes. Or the ones that I have to call several times when we are starting this material. But what I say is that it was a nice experience and interaction with you, and also seeing in person. And almost of you saw my face to like talk to my camera during the orientation in time. Right? That's where you saw my face. But I'm happy to see that you came so that you can interact one-on-one. You can attest that online there are lots of things that you have to know. Like when I was coming to the place that maybe you took the course from, I don't know how this is. Right? But so it's good that you come and see where we are located and where our offices are, where the trainings for classes to happen. So this is where we are normally at. And we really appreciate you for choosing Predictive and Islam, and also for your commitment to the classes. I know you personal, my course at I can by day, every morning of the come and greet us the attendance. Now, minutes, we are in there 2 minutes, we are in there 87 minutes. But now that you put on your cinema, I can provide all the videos. So, yeah, provide all the videos, but after the end of it all, at least you got what the value of what you wanted to engage in that session. So that's the most important thing. And as normally, I was telling you normally during the session that our goal is not for the duration to end, but our goal is always so that we can get what we pay for, and so that we can get the value that we set up for. Creating a community is always our goal. So even after this, the graduation, you are still part of us. In case we have something that you want to share with you, normally reach out. In case you have something you want to share with us, normally reach out. And we continue building up. Right? So that is the person. No, I'm sure. Of course, you become okay, so that's just me. And I'm happy for connecting with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Joel. Tina was in charge of the exec classes. And then after that, we'll allow our CEO to give a keynote for the sake of those also like and hear from him before we leave. And then after him, the trainers.
Oh, it's in best act. Yeah.
Oh, maybe you can take a before you.
The certificates.
Yeah, and even your certificate. You have it distributed. Everyone else should not leave. We're still supposed to take. Thank you. You're supposed to network.
Yes,
Yeah.
the certificates so you have connected with somebody.
It's okay. Even us will connect so that you can train your team.
Sure.
Yeah.
Pale. Ah. Tuwe. Utanishikia hii basi kidogo tu.
So, I need to talk about introduction. This is the founder of the company and the CEO.
Karibuni wote. Yeah. Very familiar faces. So as I make the introduction, format of certificates, you can please join the dots. Okay. So it's right to you. Okay. Yeah, so section is okay. So this is a certificate just to show the competency that you have. Yeah. As you work there, we need to do this. Yeah, we wish you.
Hello. Niambie. Sawa.